Hi, I'm Mike Klimek, and today I'm going to show you how to clear out a couple of sink drains. Hey, if you're new here, click the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. So I'm in a master bath. It's got two sinks. Both are slow draining. This is one that is most clean. And take a look at the other one. Want to guess which one is the man's and which one is the woman's? Hello. This one is really bad. And generally speaking, the women's sink is going to be a little bit worse because of the long hair. Not in all cases, but usually that's the case. Anyway, they're both slow. I would be concerned if it was a drain line that was clogged a little further down rather than two individual sinks. That's usually an indicator. However, the homeowners tell me that once the woman's sink clogged up, she came over to the man's sink and started to use it. And so that's the reasoning behind looking at each individual sink rather than the entire drain line. I'm going to stick a bucket under it, loosen up the fittings, and see what comes out. The back one's first. Let's see if I can get the front one out. I have a feeling this is just going to fall down. Okay, it's ready to go. Okay, you can see the hair already coming out of the end of it. Yum. All right, I'm gonna take that nut off on the back. It controls the pivot rod. Again, don't need any tools, just your fingers. And we should be able to just pull this out now. Wow. I can't hardly even pull this out. There's so much hair grabbing it. Long hair too. Surprise. Okay, so you know what that means. Time to get the old screwdriver out and push that ball of hair out. Get my plastic bag ready. And there's just a ton of stuff in here. I can hear it hitting the sink or hitting the plastic bag underneath. Okay, let's see what we get here. It's kind of like fishing, isn't it? You never know what you're going to get. This is a longer pipe from the bottom of the sink to here, so my screwdriver isn't reaching all the way up there. I'm going to push a little more down. I can feel it up there. There's a bunch of it. And there it is, it's starting to come out. Look at that. Nasty. Looks like dog poop. It smells 100 times worse. There we go. Gross. Look at that. There may be more. But I think that be the bulk of it from there. So from here, I'm going to get my bucket out. Put the old bucket there. Wash. Maybe that is it. Okay. So from here, I'm just going to put the nut back on. Okay, I'm going to give this sink stopper a little cleaning. Look at that. That is long hair and soap and everything that is wrong with the world. That is gross. All right. Well, I'm not hired as a maid, but I'll clean up what I can. So I'm going to drop this in and take the pivot rod from underneath and put it back in. I'm just tightening that plastic nut that holds that pivot rod into the sink stopper. Here's the trap. Started so it doesn't cross thread. Let's snug it down and let's test. Looks better. Any leaks? No leaks. No leaks with the pivot rod. So we're calling this job done. See you next time.